Hi everybody, this is Paul at RCTV, and as you can see we have a new box in the shop today. I'm going to do a quick unboxing of my new Axial Wraith Jeep Wrangler Poison Spyder version. This is in the box as supplied to me this morning by Martin at RC Bits, so a big thank you to Martin for bringing that along today, and you will be seeing it for the first time as I'm seeing it, so please enjoy. Right, here she comes. Coming out of the box. I'll give you a close up of the box in a second. Toss that out of the way. Right, I said I'll give you a close up of the box, and here we go. So this is the Jeep Wrangler Poison Spyder Customs version of the Wraith. I know everybody likes to see the box art. Just really nice. Some more details on the box, on the back of the packaging. Tells you more about it. All this is available online for you to read and digest. Have a picture of the truck there. Nice thing about this ready to run version is it does have beadlock wheels, which is much more preferable. I have a set of 2.2 mudslingers that I've had for some time that I'll probably pop on there just to see how they go. Nice graphic on the back of the box, looks really smart. And two drivers kind of signed the box, obviously it's printed, but it's nice that it's fully endorsed and licensed. And all the officially licensed technical partners are all listed up here. Okay, so let's break the seals. A couple more seals. First of all, got some instructions. Those over there. Radio. A load of accessories. Have a look at those a bit more closely in a sec. They've gone on the floor. And here it is. Looking very nice already. I'm pretty impressed with that. The body shell looks absolutely wicked. I'll get the camera in, I'll give proper close up, run round it in a sec. In the meantime I'll just clip the cable ties and we'll have a proper look. Okay, as I was saying, I was tempted to get the Wraith Spawn, but having looked at this online and gone through various reviews and everything, the paint job, the detailed interior just swayed me more towards this one. I really like the way Axial have done this. The black wheels look pretty cool. Whole truck looks pretty plush, and that paint job is not stickers, that's painted on, so I must admit they've done a really smart job of that. Take you around here, really pleased with this. I shall get that out on the trail and take some good films for you guys. I'll just leave you with that shot there, and then we'll have a quick look in the bags that came with it and see what's in all the accessories. Okay, so we've got the standard AX3 radio that comes with most of the Axial ready to run. Works pretty good. I shall run it completely stock to start with, see how we get on. Quite happy with that. Got manual. Always handy to read the manual to find out if there's anything in there that you don't know about. Find out how it all works. got some parts trees. This is quite handy. Some spare steering wheels, rifle set, some spacers, door handles, some spare shifters, and then the usual spare ball ends, rod ends. There's some spare drive shafts in this bag, along with the usual cross wrench, some servo savers, some other bits and pieces. I've already got some upgrades ready to go on this, nothing very much yet. The alloy straight axle adapters from Wrangler RC on eBay, and one of the things I quite like the look of was from RC 4-wheel drive, the inner fender arch set. See if you can read that, which will allow me to protect the underside from all the flying mud and grit that goes in there. And there we go, that's about it. There's a final look at the truck. Should be looking at upgrading the links, the steering, fitting some lights, and generally having a good time. Thanks for watching. Cheers, bye.